shaking it apart. You've broken off all of your stock panels. They start really getting X-Backs. Oh, this is good.
Let me just take you somewhere.
That's why you paid it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Brandon Washington. I got 6-step GP83.
Wow.
On 6 Sundown GP5.
Did you say 6?
3.
Oh, got it. Okay. Wow. This is a big box for those subs. Did you build this? Yeah, you did a good job. So, do you know anything about the box? SPL, tuning, cubic space? Tune low? Like in the 20s? Okay, nice. I know your amps gain matched or strapped or?
Gain matched.
Okay. At like 1 ohm or half ohm? Nice. Anything on the electrical side? Alternator battery?
2 320s. 2 what is it, Brain-X? 2 Brain-X 320s and a 90 amp C-Back.
Okay. Did you install this? Yeah, you got a lot of work done in here. So you actually got your back seat out for your amplifier stage. And then you've got, man, that box is huge. Looking at it more and more, it's really, so that's what you made the lows. Big box, big lows. Yeah. Looking forward to hearing it. Okay. Thanks for the info, man. All right.
Kind of beat on it now. In my last song, I turned it up.
Certain songs hit a little harder or more clipping. Yeah, you have to be careful. Man. Everything on your roof, dude, is like just shaking it apart. I'm sure you've already broken off all of your stock panels. Man.
Live in New York City, color aquamarine, drink from gay.
Oh, this is good.
Let me just take you somewhere secret. Gonna cut out of the light down and go get down. I'm out your boy, you gonna just know it won't be good. Just shut up. Not just, I'm gonna go set them. I stick them in
You turned it up pretty high. I appreciate that, man. Wow. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. That was crazy. I noticed as you turn up a little bit, they start really getting to X-Max almost. That was some lows, man. Really good lows. So what? Hot? Yeah. Is there a way I can see the back? Subscribe for new builds every week and use discount code JacobViral